We all know that old brown bananas make great banana cake and banana muffins, but what else can we make with them?
Banana ice cream. My name's Isabel. Mine's Rafferty.
And I'm Lindy Milan, and welcome to our kitchen. This is a great thing to do with the kids. Freeze your bananas in chunks. Isabel, can you help me get it in there? Yeah, put it in. Thanks, Rafi. There we go. And then it's a simple job of doing this. Do you want to turn it up for me, Isabel? If you're struggling with it blending, because it depends how powerful your blender is, you can always just put a little bit of milk in to start it off. Oh, that's better. Great work, Rafi. There you go. It just took a few times of stirring and a bit of milk, and look at that.
Banana ice cream. Banana ice cream.
What do you think, Izzy?
It was great.
Rafi?
It was great.
There you go. Really simple, healthy, easy banana ice cream. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.